welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jess. Today I'm going to be doing another drugstore makeup tutorial. The brand is NYX. I got a comment underneath asking for an NYX tutorial, so we are finally doing it. I've been a huge fan of NYX for years now. I just think they're affordable but high-end, so they're kind of in the middle there alongside Milani. They're still in the range of affordability, so I'm going to do a full face of NYX today, and I hope you like the look. If you haven't already, do not forget to hit the subscribe button just right down below and give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Check me out on my Instagram page. I'll link it down below as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this look and get some makeup on this bare face. All right, so we're going to start off with this Honey Do Me Up primer. Sorry, my fingernail broke recently and I haven't been able to get it done, but it's only one, so just try to ignore it. So yeah, we're gonna use this. It's very nice. Definitely doesn't fill in the pores that much. But if you want a really dewy look, I really do enjoy this primer. Oh, it's literally so freaking hydrating. All right, so to follow along with some of the trends that have been going on lately, I picked up this Bear With Me tinted skin veil. It lets your natural skins shine through, which I really like. So I'm just gonna use a brush and kind of buff and blend that into the skin. And it is pretty full coverage, but it's really moisturizing and glowy. I'll just do like half of my face so you can see the difference. I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow Concealer. I find it's pretty easy to use, but I don't know like how cleanly it would be if you had it for a long time and then went to use it. I think, you know, if you're using it within like the month that you bought it, which is normally how long it takes me to go through a concealer tube, I think you should be okay. So that looks really nice to me and really glowy. Like you can already see my skin is glowing. I don't have any highlighter on. Okay, so the next step is contour. So this is the NYX Wonder Stick. Comes with two sides, so it comes with this contour shade. They obviously have different shades as well. This little thing, which I tried, it's kind of like a highlighter almost. The way that they suggest is to just follow your kind of cheekbone where it kind of goes, like so, and then blend that out. I'm going to use this brush to blend it out, and we're just going to go like this, blending upward. I'm going to do a little under the chin here. I like the applicator stick of this. And then what I like to do is just kind of get it going a little there, maybe a little up. And then where the nose is. All right, so I just did one side of the face so you could really see kind of how it works and how it looks on the skin. I used the light medium shade of the Wonder Stick on this side. And then there's nothing on this side. I'm not gonna use the light side just because I did use it once and it's kind of was too highlighty for me, and I'm looking for more of that natural look. So before I'm going to put any powder on, I'm actually going to do some blush. This is a cream blush. So I saw this and it reminded me of nude sticks. I think this is actually a really cute shade, so I'm going to just use the same brush that I was using to put it above my contour and wherever else I feel like I want a little color. A little bit goes a long way with this. If you start adding a little bit, you can always build your way back up, you know what I'm saying? I think that looks really nice. I like that. You can even put a little bit underneath your chin just to kind of tie everything together. All right, so now we're going to set everything, not everything, we're just gonna set in the places we need to set. So basically, we're gonna be using this. I haven't used this before. So this is the NYX HD Finishing Powder. But it says it's translucent, so like, let me know if you've tried this and let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a powder brush, going in with a little bit around, setting the under eye. I'm probably going to use this in my everyday makeup routine, so yeah, I'd recommend getting this. They have other shades as well. Alright, so for brows, NYX has a lot of options, I'll tell you that right now. They have the NYX Precision Brow Pencil. So that's really nice as well if you want to have more of that if you want to have more of that shaped look. This I have been loving lately, and if you follow me, you know I love kind of a feathered brow, a fluffy brow. So this is the NYX Brow Tint Pen. Someone also recommended this to me on my eyebrow video because I couldn't find the right shade of eyebrow pen, and they were right. So if you want to get an eyebrow pen, I'd recommend getting the NYX one. I just love it. So I'm gonna use this. Just like that. This is like the perfect shade for my brows. It's kind of why I love it. Looks so natural. How easy was that? What I was also gonna say was that you can combine the two brow products. So you can use this to fluff out like the front of your brows and kind of fill them in a little bit, and then you can use this to fill in the rest of your brow, draw that perfect arch that you're looking for. Yeah, so these in combination, perfect brow pairing, I swear. All right, so now for the fun part, we're gonna go into eyeshadow. They had a lot of options, but I picked this one. This is the NYX Ultimate Edits, and it's in warm neutrals. These little palettes go a long way, and you can travel with them so easily as well, once traveling gets back to be a thing, which I don't know if it ever will, but we'll see. So we're gonna go in with this base shade. It's really nice. Ooh. The one thing this is missing is a mirror. I like to have a mirror in my palettes just in case I am bringing them somewhere. And then I'm gonna go in with this kind of like orangey shade. Actually, it's really nice as well. And I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I love these kind of shades. I'm a sucker for them. They kind of just go with everything, and they're so wearable. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade at the end here with this brush, so a little bit more of a denser brush, and I'm just gonna pack it into the corner here. The outer corner to give it that nice smoked out effect. And then we have some of these shimmery shades, which are really pretty as well, so I definitely want to try those. This one is the one that I'm kind of being drawn to. I'm just gonna, and then we're gonna do this. I've never tried NYX eyeshadows. Let's see how it applies with the finger. I think I like how it applies with the finger. Just a little bit more. Gets a little bit more pigment. Okay, so for underneath the eye, I'm gonna go in with this shade. Whoa, that's cool. This adds a little bit of a pop to that. And then I'm gonna darken out the side with that dark brown. All right, so I was contemplating if I should do this or not, but I think I'm going to. I'm gonna attempt winged liner, which I'm not the best at, but I have two liner products actually. I have the Epic Ink Liner. And then we have the Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liner in white. So I'm just gonna do a winged liner really quick here. I'm not gonna do the whole shebang, I'm just gonna do the ends. That is the NYX liner. One of my fave go-to liners when I do liner, which is obviously quite rarely. With the white liner, I'm gonna do a graphic liner. So now that we have accomplished something along the lines of this, so this is actually super cool. I've been waiting to get the white shade because it's always out of stock, so I guess the white shade is the most popular. But yeah, it was pretty easy. All right, so the eye look is almost done. I actually like how it's looking, to be honest. It's very different and very 2021. So I bought these lashes. They were on sale. I thought I would get NYX lashes just to show you like their full category of makeup, and they have literally everything. Okay, so there are the lashes fully on. I think they're pretty cool actually. So then I'm gonna do some highlighter, and this is the NYX Diamonds Ice Highlighter. It's in the shade Citrine Dream. So with my fan brush, I'm just gonna kind of hit the high points of the cheeks and, you know, give like that subtle glow that we already kind of have, but just kind of amplify it a little bit. Seems to work out pretty well. Kind of bring it down a little. Yeah. Just gives you that very like sun-kissed summery vibe, which I really like. All right, so for one of the last steps, we're gonna do some lip liner. So I'm gonna be using the Suede Lip Liners. The shade is called Free Spirit. I like the color. As you can see, these lip liners are super easy to use. That took me like 2 seconds to line my lips. So this is called the NYX Shine Loud Lip Color. I'm sure you've heard something about this. So basically it has a gloss on this side and then just the lip color on this side. And this is supposed to be like 16-hour wear or something like that. And it's supposed to be really, really good for if you're wearing a mask on a daily basis, which we all are right now. I know it's very intense but they do have other colors. So they do have like nude shades and stuff. They were all sold out when I went to buy it, so I was like, I better get my hands on this. So I bought this one. But yeah, we're just gonna use this shade and test it out and see how it goes. Oh, it actually looks like a pretty shade. The applicator is nice because like I haven't dipped back in. This is one dip only. So there we have it. That is the lip color. Doesn't feel too sticky. I was kind of worried about that because I know the Maybelline Super Stay Matte, which I did do a video about as well, is very sticky and I did not like that consistency at all. Now I'm going to try the gloss since it's dried down a little bit. So this is like a clear gloss, I think. It comes with like a brush, applicator. So here we go. It looks really pretty. It's a really nice gloss. Feels thick. It's supposed to, like, I'm pretty sure the gloss is supposed to stay on as well. So let's let it dry down, see what happens, because I've never heard of a gloss that actually does not move around. Okay, so we're back. There's a few things I have to say about this. I thought the gloss was gonna dry down to be like, maybe like a layer, like almost like a plastic shield over my lips or something to make it look shiny. I like how it feels. So apparently, I guess the gloss, you just have to keep reapplying. It's not gonna stay there forever, but I guess the color is supposed to stay there forever. The gloss actually did run down my lip a little bit. All right. It's not a huge problem though. So I'm gonna kiss my hand and I'll show you what happens. So that is what happens. All right. So yeah, you can see that gloss has like come off. This color stayed on perfectly. Look at that. Gloss is still kind of on. It's not as much as it was before, but definitely more moisturizing than the Maybelline Super Stay Matte. The last step is the setting spray. So we have the NYX Radiant Finish setting spray. It's long wear, apparently. Ooh. That gives you a boost of freshness. I guess this setting spray kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay All Nighter, which is a good thing. Alright everyone, so that is the look using NYX Cosmetics. I did a full face of it. I bought some new products that I really wanted to try and I am very impressed. I had a lot of fun doing this look today and yeah, I'm surprised at how impressed I am with how the products turned out. I really don't have much to say that's bad about them, and I'm not just doing that because this is not a sponsored video. It's just a brand that I like a lot and that I've been using for a couple of years. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, definitely some fun stuff planned for the near future here. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up again. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!